Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your refrigerator starts beeping, then it could be one of several problems. In some cases, the door might not be closing properly or is leaving a gap. As well, it could be an issue with the temperature sensor. In some models, you might see a DR or DF error code. In any case, it's best to check if the door is closing properly. Now check to see if the gasket makes a good seal around the entire door. If the gasket is dirty, then it can be cleaned with warm soapy water. If the door still doesn't make a good seal or the gasket is damaged, then it's best to install a new one. If needed, the door switch can also be tested for continuity. You can see more in the video linked below. A temperature or sensor error means that the sensor might have failed. As well, it can mean that the temperature is too high in the fridge or freezer compartments. In Whirlpool models, this will likely be an 18F or a C code. Frigidaire models might show OP or SH. General Electric models will display a CC or FF code. The temperature sensor is also known as a thermistor and can be tested with a multimeter. Additionally, a faulty condenser or evaporator fan can prevent the system from cooling properly. You can learn more in the troubleshooting video linked below. If your model has a display built into the door, then it'll have a wire that runs close to the door hinge. If the wires are pinched or are damaged, then the wire harness will need to be replaced. This repair is not always simple, so it's best to call a technician. Alternatively, there could be a loose connection on the display control board. You can see how to access and replace this in the video link below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.